Prabhu Dutt, who says the multi-cap funds, which were effectively large cap heavy, are likely to reclassify themselves as flexi cap funds. Do you expect any basic change in their characteristics? If so, should one think of exiting these funds?
Well, in fact, the switchover of these funds from multi-cap category to the flexi cap would be, in fact, to keep status quo. Just to provide a bit of a background, multi-cap funds till recently used to be fairly unconstrained by regulatory mandate in terms of what market cap segments do they invest in. They had a fair degree of liberty, full liberty actually, to invest in large caps, mid caps, or small caps. But by a recent regulatory mandate, SEBI has mandated them to invest at least 25% of their money each in large caps, mid caps, and small caps. And that can bring about a significant change in the portfolios of many multi-cap funds. Now, after a lot of representations made by several industry bodies and industry representatives, SEBI has created a new flexi cap category which inherits the investment mandate which multi-cap used to have earlier. So now that unconstrained category is the flexi cap one. And that is why funds who want to continue with the same investment mandate would like to shift from multi-cap to the flexi cap category. So I would suggest that in case he's fine with the current market cap allocation of his existing multi-cap fund, he should not bother much if that fund moves over to the flexi cap category. In most likelihood, status quo will be maintained after this transition. On the contrary, if his fund chooses to remain in the multi-cap category, that is when there is a significant change in its portfolio is expected. And that is what should warrant a closer look by him to decide whether he wants to continue or switch over to another fund.